The Lenovo IdeaPad 5, 2-in-1 14IRU9, equipped with an Intel Core 7 150U processor, is a versatile convertible laptop designed to adapt to your needs. Offering powerful performance, a stunning display, performance and seamless multitasking with the Intel Core 7 150U processor. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or running demanding applications, this powerful processor. Processor 14th Gen, Intel Core 7 150U, 10C, 2P plus 80, 12T, P-Core 1.8. Storage 1TB SSD M.2 NVMe. Memory 16GB soldered LPDDR5. Graphics integrated Intel graphics. Multi-mode laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes supported by 360 degrees hinge. Battery integrated Li polymer 57 Wh battery. Supports rapid charge boost. Get 2 hours of runtime with a 15-minute charge. Lenovo Digital Pen 2 with replaceable quadruple A alkaline battery, 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Immerse yourself in vibrant visuals on the 14-inch, 1920x1200, 60Hz IPS Touch Display of the Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Camera FHD 1080p with privacy shutter. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface Multi-Touch Touchpad, supports precision touchpad. Fingerprint reader touch-style fingerprint reader on palm rest. Audio chip high-definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC3287 codec. Speakers stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Dolby Audio.